The workshop has really been beneficial because the legislation, the intention of the legislation is quite clear that it needs to protect citizens, especially the vulnerable groups. And I think the IJS understanding of what needs to be done, social sector is quite poised to give us the ability to understand exactly what the Constitution expects the department to do. For an example, the elimination of secondary victimization from the victims of crime. Social development deal with victims of crime. But that information is the information that is crucial in the implementation or in the discharge of the criminal justice processes. And social workers are trained to deal with the trauma. They are trained to get all the information crucial for the cases to be put before justice. And that information is the information that should be made available. And I think this workshop reminded us of that. And that information is the information that social workers have that must be made available through technology to this South African Police Service for them to have a better understanding and also elimination of the secondary victimization. And I think the important role that social development makes in the social cluster as a leader in the social cluster will enable the country and the executives, in fact the presidency and the cabinet, to have a better understanding of what is happening in South Africa. We make an example of the services that we offer to protect the households. If somebody loses a job, through NISPIS will be able to know and notify social workers that a person has lost an income or ability to have an income, and that information would enable social development through the integrations that the NISPIS is having to notify social workers to be able to make sure that those people don't fall through the cracks and also don't resort to crime to survive. And I think social development has been able to be positioned in a strategic position to give that intelligence. And unfortunately, if this information is sitting in brown files, that intelligence will not be assisting the state to make informed decisions about how to care for the society. As the motto of the organization says, we are a caring department, and caring also means that we have to have overall view of the information that of those people that we need to care for.